We can import video into Studio One by navigating to the Files tab and the location of the particular video you'd like to import and dragging that in. We can also use the Finder or Explorer and drag from that window as well if it's floating on top of our Studio One song page. But I'm going to grab this from the Files tab and just left-click, hold, and drag that in. Then I'll release, and we can see that our video track is now visible and we have our video player. If I play back, then we can see our video and hear the audio. But we don't have an audio track here. If I click on this border and just drag that, our thumbnails become a bit larger, but we cannot access our audio. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. We have this little icon here that looks like a waveform. If I click on that, you can see that this pop-up says create audio track for sound from video. So once I click on that, we have this message. Do you want to create an audio track for the sound from the video? Yes. I'll go ahead and select that. It's doing its thing here. Okay, and now we can see our audio.
How do you loosen this a little bit?
And I'm going to press 3 to access the split tool. Then I can come in and make cuts. But you can see that that is cutting our video as well. And I'm just going to Control Z to undo those cuts because I'd like to show that if we click on this button here, then we have the option to unlink audio track editing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now I'm going to hold Control to access the split tool because I have that set up as my secondary tool. And now when I make cuts, we can see that that's not affecting our video. But I'm going to go ahead and undo, and let's take a look at another method. If you really want to specifically work with audio from a video, let's go ahead and hide our video track. Now I'm going to come to the same video, click, hold, and drag. And this time, before I release with my left mouse button, I'm going to hold Control. And we can see that this pop-up window there says extract audio to new track. So I'll go ahead and release the left mouse button. And now we can see that this is separating and importing the audio from that video.
A big head.
Okay, and so you can do other things like adding your effects, editing the audio, anything that you'd like to do with a normal audio file, you now have access to that. So that's how we can go about extracting audio from video within Studio One 7.2. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in one-on-one training with me over Zoom, check out the information in the description of this video or the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.